Welcome to Health Harmony Hub, your source for comprehensive well-being. Today, let's explore the essential practices for maintaining your health and fostering a vibrant life. Watch till the end. 1. Balanced nutrition. Begin with the foundation of balanced nutrition. Focus on a variety of whole foods, including fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. A well-rounded diet provides the necessary nutrients for optimal health. 2. Regular physical activity. Keep your body in motion with regular physical activity. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, incorporating both cardiovascular and strength training exercises. Movement is the key to a healthy, energetic life. 3. Prioritize hydration. Hydration is a fundamental pillar of health. Drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day to support digestion, circulation, and overall well-being. Add a splash of flavor with infused water or herbal teas. 4. Sufficient sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep each night. Aim for 7-9 hours of restful sleep to allow your body to recharge and repair. Quality sleep is vital for mental clarity, emotional well-being, and physical recovery. 5. Stress management. Develop effective stress management techniques. Whether it's deep breathing, meditation, or engaging in hobbies, find what works for you to reduce stress levels. Chronic stress can impact both mental and physical health. 6. Regular health checkups. Schedule routine health checkups and screenings. Early detection of potential issues allows for proactive management and prevention. Regular visits to healthcare professionals contribute to a proactive approach to health. 7. Mindful eating habits. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to portion sizes, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Mindful eating promotes a healthier relationship with food. 8. Limiting harmful substances. Minimize the intake of harmful substances. Limit alcohol consumption, quit smoking, and avoid excessive use of recreational drugs. These habits contribute significantly to overall health. 9. Cultivate social connections. Nurture your social connections. Build and maintain positive relationships with friends and family. Social connections are crucial for emotional well-being and can have a positive impact on mental health. 10. Continuous learning and mental stimulation. Keep your mind active with continuous learning. Engage in activities that challenge your intellect, whether it's reading, learning a new skill, or solving puzzles. Mental stimulation supports cognitive health. Congratulations on taking proactive steps toward a healthier you. For more tips and insights on maintaining well-being, subscribe to Health Harmony Hub. Until next time, may you enjoy a life of health and harmony.